वीनस इवेंट्स की तरफ से मैं आपको भैया से मिलवा रहा हूँ। भैया आपका नाम?
My name is Archit Agarwal.
Archit Agarwal. Okay. So can you tell me about your stall and what are you trying to display? Okay.
Basically, these are all organic gift boxes,
Organic gift boxes.
which are basically directly from the farmers.
Directly from the farmers.
If you
Okay.
look at the products, these are Kerala items from Kerala, like black coffee, black
Okay.
pepper, coconut oil. Then we have masala coffee. Then we have easels. We have manifestation cards.
Manifestation cards.
Yes.
Okay. So what is a manifestation card?
Manifestation card is basically anything that you want in life.
Okay.
You manifest it that okay, whether it is money, whether it is love, whether it is.
Okay, very good. So
house.
we can manifest anything and we will get that.
Apparently they say so.
Okay. 10%. Okay. 110%. Okay.
Basically a positivity that when you say positivity, जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं कि सरस्वती बैठी होती है,
सरस्वती बैठी होती है हमारी ज़बान
कभी
पर.
पॉजिटिव बोलते जाओ
तो
तो if you
अच्छा.
keep saying positive things,
Okay.
things will come true. And
So ये कार्ड कैसे हेल्प करेगा उसमें हमारी?
see when you have, for example, you have this on your desk, right?
Okay.
Whether it is your workstation at office,
Hmm.
whether it is at home,
Okay.
you have this. You read it. Just even you read it, you manifested it.
Okay. Okay.
For example, I'm creating life of passion and purpose. You
Okay.
read it, you manifested it, things will happen for you.
Things will happen. Okay.
For example, if you have this, I'm creating the life of my dreams.
Okay. So it will manifest. Like if we will read it again and again,
will
then the
manifest.
things will get manifested,
You
right?
don't have to do job of it. You just have to think about it and that's
Think about it, look at it.
Exactly. And these are all customizable.
Okay, these are all customizable.
Even the shairi, if you look at it,
Okay.
these are all filled with positivity and these
Okay.
are all customized.
Customized. Okay.
Written by us.
Written by you. Your okay. So what will it cost?
See, the whole box is a concept.
Okay. This whole box.
This whole box is a concept wherein these are handmade paper diaries.
These are handmade paper diaries.
Right.
Okay.
And if you look at this is a very unique concept of seed paper, pen and pencil.
Pen and pencil.
Yes.
Okay.
If you look at the back of it, there are seeds in it,
Okay.
which is tomato. Even in the back of it, this is all tomato seed.
Tomato.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good.
You use it, you plant it, you
Okay.
water it normally, and these will go into a plant.
Okay. Very nice. Okay. And
And if you look at the box,
okay. This is the box.
this
Right.
is the box. This is all pine wood, which can be reused.
Okay.
Natural.
This box is made of pine wood.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you look at our information card,
Okay.
this is
This
also
is-
seed paper, which will grow into a chili seed.
अच्छा. Very good.
If you look at it, you've got seeds in it.
सीड्स हैं इसमें. Okay.
And over here, we've also told you how to use these. So that
अच्छा.
you can-
Instructions हैं इस पे.
Instructions हैं.
Okay.
And हमारे बारे में थोड़ा सी information है कि
ये आप लोग क्या करते हो? Very good. Okay. So इसकी पूरे की cost,
See, this will cost you somewhere about 2100.
full box will cost us 2100. Okay.
And if you look at our other products,
Okay.
we have this is our Ganga Jal box basically.
This is Ganga Jal. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
So basically these are three type of jals, which is Alaknanda,
Alaknanda.
Bhagirathi, Ganga Jal.
Okay.
Then we have Rudraksh and Pendant.
Rudraksh.
Then we have Roli, we have Chawal, we have Camphor, we have Mishri.
Okay.
This is a whole different concept, which is basically used for puja.
This is all used for puja.
Yeah, of course, you use all these for puja.
We use all these things for puja
So
only.
this is a puja box concept where all of these three jals are filled from Uttarkashi.
Okay. All of these are filled from Uttarkashi. Very
Filled
good.
and bottled in Uttarkashi
In
itself.
Uttarkashi. Okay.
So that there are no impurities in it.
There are no impurities. Okay.
Absolutely. Then we have a very different concept of Diwali box.
This is Diwali box.
This is the Diwali
Okay.
box. If you look at it,
Okay.
we are going ahead and giving you two types of aartis, which is Ganesh ji and
Okay.
Lakshmi ji. Then we have a positivity filled.
Like manifestation cards.
No, this is your this is your shairi.
अच्छा. This is शायरी. Okay.
If you look at it, the first line says, "देखो तुम तो सपनों के साथ जीना सीखो."
देखो तुम हो. Very good. Okay. तो सपनों के साथ जीना सीखो.
Then we have Molly,
Okay.
which is used. Then we have different type of diyas. We have this is your what do you call it as rangoli
रंगोली.
for people who do not bachelors like us who do not know how to make it.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
This is just a stick on.
Okay. Very good.
So this is a very
So-
different concept.
Okay.
Then we have our charans.
चरण. Okay.
Then we have our diyas. of different concepts if you look at it.
Okay.
These are all tea light teas.
ठीक है. So what will it cost?
This will cost you somewhere about 1800 bucks.
1800 per box.
Per box.
You can gift it also to anyone like.
It is for
it
gifting
is
and
for
usage.
gifting and usage,
everything.
personal usage also.
Right.
Okay. So we have covered all the things, right?
Then over here, if you look at it, then we have a concept of this hand woven evil eye also.
Hand woven evil eye.
Yes.
This will protect us from the nazar
हाँ,
and evil eye.
नजर बट्टू type.
नजर बट्टू type की चीज. ठीक
ठीक
है.
है, गाड़ी का कीचेन लगा लिया, घर का
Keychain में
कीचेन
लगा
लगा
लो,
लिया,
घर में कहीं भी लगा सकते हैं इसको.
I use it personally for my car also.
Okay, very good.
So this is one of the concept. Then we have the semi-glass,
अच्छा.
semi-precious flower.
Semi precious flower. Okay.
If you look at it, this will not give you a look of a fake product,
Mhm.
but it will also give you, it will enhance the beauty wherever you want to put it.
Very good.
Whether it's your drawing room or whether it's your dining
Anywhere.
room, anywhere. Even in your bar, it will give you a very good
Okay. So
look.
this is also full box.
This is also
Customized
full
box. Okay.
And all of these boxes are customizable.
Customizable. If we want anything, we can put it according to our needs.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. So around we can say that these cost around 1800, 2000
See, it's a differentiation between 1800 to 2500.
to 2500. Not too much costly. Not more
No,
than
it is budget
25.
friendly because again, let us say if we talk about MSMEs like us,
Okay.
startups like the others.
So you are doing it like a startup?
Yes, it is a
Okay.
startup.
Okay, very good. So you have registered as a MSME?
Yes, we've registered as an MSME.
Okay.
We have our GST registered as well. This is my
Okay,
card.
you are okay. I will share it also.
Sure.
Okay, very good. So, okay, so if someone wants to contact, then they can call on the number also.
Definitely. We have our
And-
Insta also. They can DM us. We can definitely look into it.
Okay, and अगर किसी को यहाँ आना है तो अभी कल का और परसों का इवेंट है ना, 2 दिन का हो रहा है आई थिंक.
नहीं, tomorrow तक है, but we're not there tomorrow.
अच्छा, you are not here tomorrow.
We have another place to go.
अच्छा, आप कल कहाँ पे होंगे आप?
I'll be in the home ministry. I'll be in the home ministry.
होम मिनिस्ट्री में ही. अच्छा,
वहाँ पे
इवेंट है.
इवेंट नहीं है, बेसिकली मीटिंग है टू सप्लाई.
अच्छा, मतलब ऐसे नहीं लगाओगे कल आप?
नहीं,
कहीं पे भी?
कहीं पे।
ओके ओके. तो पर्सनल कांटेक्ट कोई कर सकता है
एनी टाइम
किसी से भी आप, और घर पे आ जाएगा, मतलब लाइक ऑर्डर करो एंड कोरियर विल
वी डेफिनेटली
सेम थिंग लाइक ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर.
like an online order. You go ahead and make the booking.
हाँ.
You tell us what you need. We'll
Okay,
prepare
okay.
it.
You will prepare
make
it.
the payment and we'll go ahead and courier it.
ओके ओके. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लेटिंग अस नो. एंड बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें थी, ये नई नई चीज़ें मैंने आपको दिखाई हैं, तो आप भैया से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना. तो दिवाली की गिफ्टिंग आइटम्स भी अगर भैया, अच्छा कांटेक्ट करने के लिए कोई वेबसाइट भैया आपकी?
Miranofficial.in. Miran.
ओके, कैन यू स्पेल इट फॉर द ऑडियंस?
That's M as in Mike, I as in India, R as in Romeo, A as in Alpha, N as in Nancy, official.in.
miranofficial.in इज़ अ वेबसाइट. आप उस पर भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं कोई भी आपको आइटम चाहिए, एंड यू कैन कस्टमाइज ऑल्सो. हम कस्टमाइज भी करके आपको
You can customize
दे सकते हैं.
also.
ठीक है. तो आई होप आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा. ये बहुत ही न्यू और यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट था. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो बाय विनस इवेंट्स, एंड मैं आपके लिए और भी ऐसी वीडियोज़ लेकर आऊँगा. थैंक यू सो मच.